In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. A Gantt chart is a timeline view that lays out your tasks by start and due date, so you can see what's happening, when it's happening, and how everything overlaps. It's perfect for planning, tracking progress, and spotting bottlenecks before they become problems. Let's set one up from inside your workspace. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign into your workspace. You'll land on your home area or wherever you last worked. The key is to start from the part of your workspace that actually holds the tasks you want to see on a timeline. Next, choose the space that contains your project. Spaces are the highest level of organization in ClickUp and act like departments or big categories. If you manage multiple initiatives, pick the space that holds the project you want to visualize. This keeps your Gantt chart focused on the right work and avoids clutter from unrelated tasks. Now, open the specific board or list where your tasks live. Boards and lists are simply different ways of viewing the same set of tasks. Whether you prefer a status-based board or a more traditional list, the important thing is that you're in the location with the tasks you plan to schedule. If your tasks already have start and due dates, they'll appear on the Gantt chart automatically. If not, you can add dates later from the task cards. At the top of your board or list, look for the option to add or switch views and open the View menu. This is where ClickUp gathers all the different ways to look at your work, like List, Board, Calendar, and more. The View menu is your gateway to timelines, so make sure you're still within the same board or list to keep your chart scoped correctly. From the View options, select Gantt. ClickUp will generate a timeline view for the tasks in that location. If you see any quick settings, you can keep the defaults for now. Your Gantt chart should load with tasks placed along the timeline according to their dates. Use the zoom controls to toggle between days, weeks, or months for the right level of detail. You can drag the ends of a taskbar to adjust dates. And if you've set dependencies, you'll see connecting lines that show how tasks relate. Try scrolling horizontally to navigate your schedule and vertically to move through groups or lists. Filters can help you focus on one assignee, priority, or status without changing the underlying data. That's it. You've created a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Save this view for easy access and use it regularly to plan, track, and keep your projects moving smoothly.